graph on a plane, the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 5. Let's think about what this means. This means that we're looking for all points whose x value, the absolute value of the x value, is less than or equal to 5. That means that the x value is going to be somewhere between -5 and 5, because the absolute value of -4, -3, -2, all of those are less than or equal to 5. So we can graph this by looking at x equals 5 and x equals -5 and graphing those lines that come right down through the points on the x-axis, -5 and 5. And notice that I'm graphing them with a solid line because of the inequality symbol less than or equal to. This is going to essentially prove to be a boundary of the graph of this inequality, because between these two lines, all of the points between these two lines, and including the lines, have an absolute value of the x-coordinate less than or equal to 5. So the graph would simply be the section of the plane that is in between these two lines, x equals 5 and x equals -5.